In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So at first, let's open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and click on digital wellbeing and parental controls. Then you need to tap on show your data under your digital wellbeing tools, and here it is. Now just click in the middle of the screen, and here you can check the statistics regarding your device's usage. So for example, settings been used for 12 minutes today, and you can obviously go back in time for previous days, and here you've got it. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can check time spent on your device and even on each app. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.